found something the size of a jackrabbit. Now that's an excellent survival strategy for those harsh desert environments where you find them. And you really do need that extra edge for survival because up to 75% of all birds of prey hatched in the wild, they won't make it through their first year of life.
Why's that?
Well, some of it's due to natural causes. However, some people will actually shoot these gorgeous birds.
People shoot the hawks?
Oh yeah.
I thought it was illegal to shoot a bird of prey.
It is illegal, and it's a shame that people still do it because they help control the rodent population. That's just one of the many reasons we love having them around. All right, last Bladen. Here he comes. Whoa! You are amazing today. You know where to go. Orion, our Harris-hawk.
Ashley, up close, that's a very beautiful bird.
Very beautiful.
What'd you say about being beneficial?
Oh, a hawk the size of Orion could actually eat up to 1,000 mice in a single year.
Really?
Yep.
Well, that explains a lot. I haven't seen a mouse, a rat, or a gopher here in Anandapur in months.
Oh, look at that one at the station. Yeah. What, about a month ago?
Well, yeah.
It was a month ago.
Well, yeah, I don't know when it was. There were a lot of rats. They were everywhere.
Everywhere. Yeah. It was like Rat-palooza. They're just really excited because hawks are number one because they got rid of all those rats.
Yeah, of course.
I know.
Well, don't worry, folks. That rat problem is behind us. I had no idea birds are so beautiful and beneficial.
Oh, you know what? That describes our next bird perfectly.
Yeah?
Yeah, one of the most beautiful birds in the African savanna. We have a crown crane joining us right over there with Donna Sue. Now, folks, he's going to fly me on stage. I want you to check out this 6-foot wingspan. But watch out for the landing gear. Oh my goodness. Folks, I want you to meet Fraser. Fraser Crane. Crown cranes get that name from that tuft of golden feathers on the top of their head. Looks a lot like a crown. And hey, Joe, I've got extra treats. I think you should meet Fraser.
I don't.
Oh, come on, we all want Joe meet Fraser, right? Yeah!
Really?
Yeah, come on over here. Put your hands together, make a bowl. You're gonna be fine. I will be right here with you. There you go. You're okay.
Feeding a bird. Oh, boy, there you go, buddy. Oh, we might see one of those guys out in the wild.
You know, that would be an amazing sight to see. Really tough one to find.
Why is that?
Well, crown cranes struggle with a lot of things out in the wild. Things like pollution, habitat loss. Some people even put out poisons with crown cranes.
I can't imagine more about beautiful creatures like those.
Can I, Joe? That's